Welcome, dear learners. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Dear learners, let's see some images and try to guess something. Large, larger, and largest. What do the pictures show in this slide? He is a taller boy. He is taller than any other boy and he is the tallest of all boys. It is a beautiful scenery and it is more beautiful than the first scenery, and it is the most beautiful of all sceneries. Beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. What are we going to discuss today, dear learners? Can you guess what are you going to learn today? Today's lesson is degrees of comparison. After completing this lesson, we will be able to tell the definition of degree, identify various forms of degree, apply the forms of degree in different categories. This is a big ball. This ball is bigger than the yellow balls and the golden ball is the biggest of all balls. Here are three forms of adjectives. So what is degrees of comparison? Degrees of comparison means to compare with one, two or more persons, places and things in three forms of adjectives. There are three forms of adjectives. They are positive form, comparative form and superlative form. Positive forms means base form of adjectives and comparative form means compared with other, and superlative forms means highest form of adjective. Positive degree. Zishan is a tall boy. Here tall is the positive form of adjective. And the structure of positive form: subject plus verb plus a or an plus adjective plus extension. The positive degree of an adjective is used to describe a single thing or person. It simply describes the existence of a quality. Positive degree does not refer to any compare. It just talks about a person or thing. It is the base form of adjective. It describes a single person or thing. Make 5 different sentences with the following adjectives: nice, charming, attractive, interesting, excellent, and awesome. First one is done for you. This is a nice picture. Then you make 4 sentences from these adjectives: charming, attractive, interesting, excellent, and awesome. Comparative degree. Talib is better than Zishan. Here taller is the comparative form of adjectives, and a structure of comparative form: subject plus verb plus comparative form of adjectives and then plus extension. The comparative degree is used to compare two or more things or persons. It simply describes the higher or lower quality. Comparative degree is formed adding "er" with an adjective or more or less before an adjective when it is pronounced at least 2 or 3 times break. How to comparative degree is formed? Dear learners, you know there are a lot of adjectives in English language. It is quite impossible to memorize all form of adjectives. So today we will learn some shortcut technique to change the form of adjectives. Dear learners, you know there are 4 syllables such as monosyllable, disyllable, trisyllable and polysyllable. If the monosyllables adjectives ends with double consonant, means CC means consonant and consonant, and VVC means vowel, vowel and consonant, vowel, vowel and consonant, and W, then you add ER to make comparative, such as small, F, LL is the consonant CC, smaller, add ER, and short, RT, consonant and consonant, then add ER, shorter, and W, lower, and VVC, vowel, vowel and consonant, ER, deeper, deeper. Such way, if any adjectives ends with this form, then you use ER to make comparative. You remember CC, VVC and W. And the adjectives, monosyllables adjective ends with Y before consonant. Y will be turned into I. Then you have to write ER to make. Then you have to write IER to make comparative. Such as busy, here is consonant and Y. Y is turned into I and add ER to make comparative. And intelligent, more than monosyllable. Dear learners, if the adjectives more than monosyllables, then you add more or less before the adjective to make comparative. Here intelligent, more than monosyllable, and add more before intelligent. The more intelligent, interesting, same way, more interesting. Dear learners, B. The adjective ends with CBC means consonant plus vowel and consonant. If the monosyllables adjectives ends such way, then you add double consonant to make comparative and ER. Here B, bigger, G is a consonant and it is double, becomes double and add ER to make comparative. Such way you can change the comparative form of adjective CVC. You remember CVC. And if the adjectives, monosyllables adjectives ends with E, then you add R to make comparative, such as fine, finer. And gay, if the monosyllables adjectives end with vowel and Y, last letter is vowel and before vowel, then you add ER to make comparative. There is no change. Y. Make 3 comparative sentences with the following adjectives. One is with a negative. Here is 2 adjectives, fast and slow, and here is 2 pictures, tortoise and hare. So make 3 comparative sentences with the following adjectives. Here is 2 sight, first sight and second sight. Make a comparative sentence with attractive with the picture above. The first sight is more attractive than the second sight. The first sight is more attractive than the second sight. Fill in the blank with the adjective in bracket. The cat is dash than any other cat. Here use comparative form of funny, means funnier. Y turn into I and add ear, funnier. Change the sentences into comparative degree. The bird cannot fly as fast as the plane. The plane can fly faster than the bird. The crow is as clever as the fox. The fox is not cleverer than the crow. The tiger is not as small as the cat. The cat is smaller than the tiger. Superlative degree. Rifat is the tallest of all boys. Here tallest is the superlative form of adjectives, and structure of superlative degree: subject plus verb plus the plus superlative form of adjective plus extension. The superlative degree refers to the highest quality of things or persons. Superlative degree is formed adding est with an adjective or most or less before an adjective when it is pronounced at least 2 or 3 times. Break. Dear learners, how superlative degree is formed? Same way, if the monosyllable adjectives end with cc or vvc and w, then you add est to make superlative, such as small, smallest, and deep, deepest, short, shortest, at est, and the monosyllable or disyllable adjectives ends with y before consonant. Then y will be turned into I and add est to make superlative, such as heavy, heaviest. Here y is turned into I and add est to make superlative. And intelligent, more than monosyllable, at most before adjective, intelligent, most intelligent, and interesting, most interesting. What if the monosyllables adjectives end with cbc, means consonant, vowel consonant, then last consonant becomes double and add est to make superlative form, such as what, hottest. Dear learners, if the disyllables adjective ends with le, then you add r to make comparative and st to make superlative, such as noble, nobler, and noblest. And if the disyllable adjectives ends with er, then you add er to make comparative and add est to make superlative, such as clever, cleverer, and cleverest. Exceptions. There are some adjectives which do not follow any rule, and for this they are called irregular adjectives, such as good, better, best, bad, or evil or ill, worse, worst, late, later, later, latest, and last. Many, more, most, much, more, most, old, older, or elder, or oldest or eldest. Fori, forever, and foremost or first. Make sentences with the pictures applying the adjectives in superlative degree. High, precious, and useful. Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is the highest tower in the world. precious gold bar. Gold is the most precious metal and useful. The cow is the most useful animal. Change the sentences into superlative degree. The Padma is a wide river. The rose is better than any other flower. The elephant is bigger than all other animals. He is a wise man in our locality. It is an excellent idea. Dear learners, no more today. You are advised to watch the video regularly and prepare yourself for the exam. Allah Hafiz. May you live in peace at home.